Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by freeing space and targeting the game to remove. Press the Xbox button, go to My Games and Apps, then Manage. Once done, open Storage to list installed titles and drives. This shows size so you know how much room you'll gain. Make sure to note whether the game is on internal or external drive, because removal differs slightly. Now you're ready to pick the first game to uninstall and proceed into the detailed removal steps. You now perform the actual uninstall. Highlight the game, press the menu button, and choose Uninstall or Manage Game. If you pick Manage, you can remove the core game first, then uninstall updates, add-ons, or individual DLC. This saves you from deleting saves unintentionally. Make sure to read the prompts. Xbox will confirm which items are being removed. Once you remove the main title, check the remaining add-ons list and delete anything unneeded to reclaim more space efficiently. You finish by confirming the game is gone and verifying storage reflects the freed space. After uninstalling, check Storage and My Games and Apps to ensure the title no longer appears. If the space doesn't update, restart the console, power cycle it fully, and sign back into your profile. Make sure to optionally reinstall if you changed your mind. If deletion fails, clear local saved games or remove the external drive and reconnect, then retry. These steps resolve the most common stuck delete issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.